Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of salicylic acid and how it can transform your skincare routine. Let's get started. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, or BHA, known for its powerful exfoliating properties. It works by penetrating deep into your pores to break down the buildup of dead skin cells and excess oil. Salicylic acid is fantastic for treating acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. It's also great for reducing inflammation and redness, making it a go-to for those with oily or acne-prone skin. To use salicylic acid, start with a cleanser or toner that contains it. Apply it to clean, dry skin, and follow up with a moisturizer. You can also use it as a spot treatment for pesky pimples. With regular use, you can expect clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and a more even complexion. Noticeable results usually appear in a few weeks. While salicylic acid is generally safe, some people might experience dryness, redness, or peeling. To avoid these side effects, start with a lower concentration and use it 1 to 2 times a week, gradually increasing as your skin builds tolerance. Always pair salicylic acid with sunscreen during the day, as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. And don't forget to moisturize. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and doesn't replace professional medical advice. For personalized skincare recommendations, consult with a dermatologist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. See you next time.